Today we are going to discuss how to count the patches and splices within a line system. Here we start from the foremost exchange from the customer. Here we have three exchanges. The first one is Dandenong exchange, then Keysborough exchange, then Heatherton exchange, then the customer. So we will start from here, from Dandenong exchange. So here we can find a patch code between two ODFs. How we will count? We'll start from here. We'll write P. This is the easiest method to count the patches and splices within a line system and do it correctly from the first time without needing to make any modifications after that. At the end of the patch code we will write P as well. Then here this is the last point in the exchange, going to the trades and fabs. So at every HD ODF we have a patch from here, and from here we have a splice, and I'll write between brackets YY. We always use YY at the point which is in or out from the exchange. So we here have two patches till now and one splice here. Then a splice at AK fab, splice at NJ fab. Usually we have only one splice at the fabs. Here, this is a point of the entry to exchange, so we have a splice and we'll write between brackets YY as well. Then a patch here, patch. As we said before, here this is an HD ODF. So we have a patch and splice, but here this is an internal cable inside the exchange. So what are we gonna write here? We will not write SYY. We'll write S and tie A. And here we write S and tie B. Tie A and tie B refers to the tie cable, which is an internal cable inside the exchange and connecting two ODFs together. So after that we have a patch here. Here we have a splice and it's going out of the exchange. There is no patch here since we spliced here, so we have no patch. So we will write directly S and between braces YY. We'll not write here a patch. So after that, here we have a splice, then a splice here as well, and here we have S Y Y, because this is the entry point to the exchange Heatherton. At this ODF we will not write P because there is a splice here, so that's a pigtail, that's not a patch code, so we'll write just a P at the other side of the patch. Then here, like what we did below in Keysborough exchange, this is splice and between brackets tie A. Then here S and tie B. hope it's clear till now. Then attach here. Here there is a splice, and the splice is going directly out of the exchange, so we'll write S and between brackets YY. S in between brackets YY. Then a splice here, one more, and another one, and here at the customer, what we will write here, we'll write S, but instead of YY as the entry point to the customer, we'll write the building number. Here it's just hiding behind the as built. It's 1010, B1010. Then we have 1P here and 1P here. Between brackets I will write LC because it's the patch core type, I mean the connector. So, and now we will count how many patch codes we have. Or actually we are counting the through connects. Each P refers to a through connect, not a patch code, because we have 2 through connects at each patch code, one at each end. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So right here that we have 9 through connects. Then we will count the S, the splices. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 17 splices. 17 splices. So that's what we have written here, 9 through connects and 17 splices in total. Hope now it's clear how to count the number of patches and splices. Another important point that the first patch code here at the first end we will write ASC. Usually it's ASC, which means angled SC connector, and usually at the end point at the customer it's usually LCPC, so we'll just write LC between brackets. We'll know where we will write that. Each P which we have not written anything between brackets will refer to as con afterwards, CONN, and we will know how we will write that within the workbook in the next stage. Thank you. See you in the next video.